How to keep maps north up on Google Maps. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device. If you don't have this application, you need to install from the Play Store or App Store. Now once you reach on this Explore page of Google Maps, select the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. On this section, a menu appears where you have to select settings and then the settings page of Google Maps opens. You need to scroll down and then locate navigation settings. Select navigation settings option. On this section, you need to scroll down and then locate the option for map display. Under that, you will see keep map north up. Simply toggle the button on for keep map north up. Then it will help us to keep maps north up on Google Map. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.